Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you some of the best new complications that Samsung has added in Wear OS 4 and One UI 5 on Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Now, important thing to know here is that these complications are not available with all the watch faces. There are really only a couple of watch faces where you can use these complications, and I will show you which one of these watch faces are. So if you go in the watch face catalog here and swipe up, so one of them is info board, and that's the one that I'm using on this watch right now, info board watch face, and the other one is info brick. So these are the two watch faces where you can use these new complications. Now let's go ahead and take a look at these complications. So long press on the watch face, go in customize, and here we will swipe to complications. Now here you can see that all of them, all the complications that you can add on this watch face. We will tap on this middle one. So here now we have a list of these really cool complications that give you important information. The first one here is compass, and we'll select this one. Now if you select compass, you actually get a real compass on the watch face. So if you're trekking, if you're hiking, or compass is what you need, you can set that on your watch face and it will show you exactly which direction you are going. And it also shows you the degrees here at the top. So these are active complications that are working actively to show you important information. Now moving on to the next one, I want to show you this moon phase complication. This is also a really cool and a new complication, and it shows you the phases that the moon is in, the date that you're at, and 3 days ahead, 3 days back of that date. Then we have heart rate complication. This gives you the heart rate variation throughout the day, and you can see exactly what your heart rate is at that time and the variation throughout the 24 hours that you have been wearing the watch. And the next one is last workout. So it tells you the time that you did the activity, the distance you covered, and the number of steps you took, and then it shows you a waveform here. Again, it looks really cool on the watch face, and if you tap on it, it takes you to your activity, and here you can see details of your latest activity. So again, this looks really cool. It's informative. It gives you the type of activity that you did at the top. So walking, it was automatically detected, and the date the activity was detected. If you use your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic to track your sleep, you can have your sleep set as the complication, and here it's not showing me anything because I didn't wear it last night. But if you set sleep as a complication, it will show you the patterns of your sleep and the stages of your sleep here. So that's not showing because I didn't wear it last night. But if I go in this complication, there is another sleep related complication here, which is sleep coaching. So you can tap on it, and here it will give you the tips related to your sleep quality and how you can improve your sleep better. So if you tap on it, it will take you to your phone, and from there you can take it further. And then this one that I want to talk about, sunrise sunset, again a very cool graphical complication that you can set, and also it's an active complication. So if I set it here, you can see the time of sunrise and time of sunset, and again it shows you where the sun is at this time, and as the day goes along, this sun moves down the curve as well. So as the time passes, the complication updates itself. So that's about it from this video, guys. These were all the new complications that Samsung has added with One UI 5, and they look great on watch faces. So that's about it from this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.